A 2025 clinical report reveals a breakthrough that could change the way we understand male development. A penis growth solution that's natural, non-invasive, and backed by Science 2025. The key lies in a process called clean testosterone production, and it may be the missing link for millions of men. For decades, men have been told that their size is genetic, but new research shows that environmental toxins like phthalates, BPA, and heavy metals can disrupt hormonal pathways before puberty even begins. These toxins interfere with the body's ability to produce and use testosterone effectively, leading to what scientists now call toxic testosterone. Even men with normal hormone levels may be producing testosterone that's chemically compromised. That's why traditional methods, pills, pumps, even surgery, often fail. They don't address the root cause, hormonal sabotage at the cellular level. The solution? A testosterone detox protocol designed to eliminate endocrine disruptors and restore clean testosterone production. This protocol uses a combination of natural compounds, including collagen peptides, hyaluronic acid, zinc, maca root, and ashwagandha, to reactivate the body's natural growth mechanisms. According to the 2025 clinical report reveals, men who followed this protocol experienced up to 82% growth in length and girth, along with improved libido, fertility, and prostate health. These results were achieved without synthetic hormones, without surgery, and without side effects. This penis growth solution is backed by Science 2025 and supported by real-world results. It's not a gimmick, it's a biological reset. And it's giving men a second chance at the development they were denied. If you've ever felt like something was holding you back, like your body never reached its full potential, this may be the answer. The Testosterone Detox Protocol is more than a supplement. It's a scientific approach to reclaiming what was lost.